It's time for the Ace Hardware Project of the Week. So I'm here at Hillcrest Ace Hardware, here with Harry Schwartz. So thanks very much for having me out today. What are we talking about?
Today we're talking about decks and getting them clean. It's been a rainy season. You're probably seeing a lot of mildew around your house, especially on your deck or on your siding, and we want to help get rid of that.
Yeah, well, we don't want to have mildew or mold. So what should we be looking for to see if we do have this problem?
Right, so you're probably seeing some black powdery stuff either on your deck or on the side of the house where water's dripped down, and it will leave that mildew, and it's not a healthy situation, so you want to get rid of it.
So what are our choices for getting rid of it? See, we have some products here to talk about.
We do. We have some great options at Ace Hardware. Cabot makes a wonderful cleaner for wood decks. Highly recommended. Wood deck is where you're going to most likely be seeing some impact right now from the rain and the mildew.
Right.
Really easy to use. You just need the Cabot cleaner, a pump sprayer, a deck brush, and once it's cleaned, you rinse it off.
So that's not too many tools that we need to get started. How often should we be cleaning our deck?
Well, it kind of depends on what you see. It'll take at least one treatment. It might take a second treatment if the mildew removal doesn't happen with just one treatment. There is another product called 30-second outdoor cleaner, which will work on many outdoor products, not just decks, but pretty much everything, and really easy to use. Again, pump sprayer, you spray it on, you let it sit for a minute, you brush if you need to, and then you spray it off pretty quickly, and it works as well.
Is that why it's called the 30-second
That's exactly right.
Because that seems really almost too easy. I kind of set it and just forget it and wash it off.
And that's a good segue, because there is a set it and forget it product as well.
It's called, you so well.
It's called Wet and Forget. It's not designed for decks necessarily, but for the side of your house, patio furniture, cement walkways. This one you just spray and leave it. You don't have to do any brushing, you don't have to do any rinsing. It takes a little bit longer to work, but over time you'll see the mildew disappear.
So it sounds like it's not just necessarily for keeping your deck clean, but any areas of your house, if you're seeing that mold or mildew, it's time to come to Ace Hardware and get the problem solved.
That's exactly
you guys can guide us to the right products, right?
Absolutely.
All right, so come down to your local Ace Hardware if mold and mildew is making any kind of appearance around your deck or anywhere on your home's exterior. Ace Hardware has the products to help you fight that problem.